Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Camry key fob. Pretty straightforward process. I'm going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver. This isn't necessary, but it is beneficial. But you do absolutely need a replacement battery. This takes a 1632. You can get these off Amazon, just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description. So what you want to do first is push down this and slide out the mechanical key. Take your mechanical key, insert it here, and give that a twist like so. And you can use your screwdriver or mechanical key to pull out the circuit board. Take your screwdriver right there, pop out your dead battery. New battery goes in like so, and that goes right here, and this goes like that. Give it a good squeeze, press that, and there's a little red light right there. Hard to see on camera, but it's there. And that's all you need to do. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.